I've travelled back here to XYZ Machine Tools today. If you watch our channel, you'd have seen we previewed their clearance events a couple of weeks ago. I'm here today because the event is on this Thursday here in Nuneaton. They had one last week in Sheffield, which was a huge success. Some engineers walked away with machines at great prices, and that'll be the same here this Thursday on the 22nd of November. All of these machines behind us here will be sold on a first-come, first-served basis, whether it be the Prototrack mill, CNC machines, 5-axis, VMCs, lathes, the list goes on, but you need to come here to qualify for the event. You need to come to Nuneaton to get the best deal on a machine. One of these machines that will be sold, in fact all of these machines will be sold at discounted prices. If you turn up late and you miss the machine you wanted, you can still get the benefit of a good discount from XYZ by actually coming here to the event on Thursday. And now remember, this is a rarity for XYZ. They don't really discount their machines, they don't need to, but if you want to get the best deal on an XYZ, now this is the opportunity here in Nuneaton on Thursday this week, the 22nd of November. Find out more, xyzmachinetools.com.